Start your IAS journey with India's premium IAS coaching institute ALS with 24 years of legacy and 3,000 selections in UPSC till date, including more than 100 from Northeast. Study from best IAS mentors from Delhi face-to-face at ALS MIIT Brooklyn Dhagiti. Limited seats only. Batch starts August. To register, call 9402102243.
Menta kasi ka sorkar jalla lemba katana jungokai kalaya theria tai bat ki kinhun ba pher ban penyat ya ki kam jungokai ha ka jalla hakan ka jinga ther ki nong penyat kam jungokai na do ki seng ki society ki borshnong ki lapen pau ya ki jing e bat kum jo ki la ya ki jing ai jingmut ban pen bhai ka kam jungokai bat kham tam ban nang kham khring shu shu ki nong wan kai da ka ba pen biang ya ki jing don kam jongki umen tadi katana jungokai ka jalla ba pol lingdo ulapen te ba hadien blakot ka jinga ther bahakane ke jing mer jingmut lashim yaki katu kane ke jing pasat jingmut katkom ke jingok ngumentri ka daw ka bakong san ka longba ka sorkar ka kwa bandan ka we ka rinsan ya baro ki baide hakakam jungokai na do kinong penyat kinong nya kali kamai kinong bo ying basa bat ki we de khnang ba kan suk ka je kren bat ka je trekam bat ka sorkar haga joga por uba pol ulapan te ba ka sorkar kelapan kriya shikung kirin san tamasa haki penai banwan tangpa kadang shimpor khendiat na marba ka sorkar kadang pani ke jing terwana do ki district bad hadien bakalayo ik jing tep ka babanya kan sapin banapan ba kumbalapau na ka jing pen kriya ka sorkar ka tamasa kan sedang na do penai risau ter hadu penai no opra haga bakin don kin nong rwa ba pau nam kari bat ki we kirin san ban plelat ya ki samla
yaki stakeholder baro itu kebaikan benta ha kan ikam jengok partai kebakentup nado ki kedhun jong kinongnya kali tour operator ki try jagi homestay bat hotel ki guide ki dorbasnong ki cooperative society but ke jengmut hi kalong bangi kwa wan syak skor ya ke jeng ki ni ki stakeholders jing kum ke bagi lapan pau kalian ki surat power supply, internet connectivity, but kebangipan, but naki kalong ba ngidon kam bakin wan ha kawai shatri, ha kawai kerensan. Kajing kejongi kalong ba ki bun palat ki association, tang ki association jong kinong nya kaliru kila bun lupa ki wei ki bakren syarmingi ki bakren sesepni. Tingidon kam ya kawai ka apex body ka ban represent ya borok kini ki stakeholders kenang ba ka jing ikran jong ni kum ka sarkar bat ki kan long structured ka long besuk ni lai kran ya se ya we kamat ni pendap itu kamat bat atu gede ke bala endorse da borok ken rela dangi kran si spak tli ki seng ta kamat kesnem lai la kalai kirang ya ni ya jing ikran kata gede kai kani kam shim nabi ji kan darasi ketu ke ba ong ya ketu ke cabinet memo on ketu gede ban kantin ban standardize ban regulate ya ke rukam wan jong kinong bala sagani state ke jongi ban pentikanaru ba nginam ai lat ya ke jingrum pathar ke jongki kedi benrung lingba system but ka registration process ke ba ain kala.
See, criticism is always there in whether the government performs or does not perform. But fact of the matter is you will realize from the sheer scale of today's conclave, the hundreds who turned up at today's conclave is a testimony that tourism is their bread and butter, is their source of livelihood, and Meghalaya, being the music capital of India, can only offer the best to the rest of the world through these festivals. And it is not one way, it is not just us inviting people over to Meghalaya. Our artists, our musicians are also traveling the world showcasing what Meghalaya has.
And how much the government is planning to support?
We yet to finalize the allocation, but we will be investing in a manner that would also see joint support from the group which will be headlining the various events, and also there will be corporate sponsors. No, this was a suggestion made by the ambassador of Japan to India when he had visited us last year, He was impressed by the similarity of the cherry blossoms that are grown here with those of Japan, and he'd like, therefore, Japan to be a part of this experience. It amounts to a kind of an exchange between Meghalaya and Japan. We have just launched the official calendar of Cherry Blossom 2024, highlighting the various activities and events that will take place during this year's festival. The highlight this year is that we are also collaborating with the government of Japan, and there will be a separate space allocated for the government of Japan to showcase their various activities in the various sectors where the country has been successful. Apart from Cherry Blossom, the department is finalizing a list of events and festivals. We will take some time because these events will be, some will be at the district level, some will be at the state level, and some will be at the village level, meaning respective villages where such proposals have been made. So we will be finalizing this calendar and then I will come back to you with the details once that is done. The same venue, Riboy district at the DSA ground.